In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to rank your website at the top of Google, just like this website right here, which is one of my websites, so you can get loads of free traffic to your offers and make money online. Now, this works for any type of website, whether it be an affiliate marketing website, just a general blog, some sort of website that you have, Amazon website, whatever you're trying to do online. Most people usually have some sort of website. So I'm going to show you how to actually get loads of free traffic to that website via Google. And I do understand it's very hard to rank on Google. I've been ranking websites on Google for many years and things are always changing. Some things don't work now and they used to work and stuff like that. We have Google updates that are always coming out. But I'm going to show you how to get your website ranking, and that's rock solid and it actually stays there for years to come. So all of my websites, every single one of them, apart from one that I sold to somebody, all of them still hold their rankings today, even some of the ones that I started 4 or 5 years ago, and they've survived every single Google update because I rank my websites properly and I rank them for long-term traffic. So if you're looking to actually rank your website, get lots of traffic, make lots of money, make sure you watch this video and stick to the end, because I'm going to explain to you how long on average it takes for me to actually rank my websites, and that'll help you understand how long it's going to take you to get traffic and make money. So guys, let's jump into the content. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'm online replying for the next 24 hours. So number one, guys, we need to kind of establish one thing. When you're trying to rank a website online, it's a good idea to not really listen to the big experts. And I mean that in the nicest way possible, because a lot of the bigger experts that have really big websites and authority teaching you how to rank websites and stuff, they already have a lot of authority on their website. So when they go and post an article or something, they rank straight away. So they're usually teaching based off that. They don't actually teach you based on your websites. So what I do is I start, one of my businesses online is I start websites fresh all the time, and I get traffic to them, then I sell them or I keep them, right? So what I do is I focus on brand new websites. So we're going to focus how you can rank brand new websites or weak websites. Now, I'm not saying don't listen to the experts entirely. They do have great content, great ideas. But when they're talking about ranking websites, and they usually talk about things that don't apply to you and they don't work for you if you have a new website that's weak and doesn't have a lot of power at this point of time. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about the method. So number one, guys, and this is, you need to do this before you do anything. Okay, let's just assume that you got a website started, you got some, you're ready to start. You need to focus on speed and user experience. This is the big thing right now. So if you go to any of my websites, you'll notice that they're very minimal. They have nothing on there apart from the content. They have no sidebars or anything like that. The reason I do that is because I want my website to be really fast at the start. Then once I actually rank, then I start doing sidebars, then I start doing all that sort of stuff as well. And you must focus on user experience. So the reason my sites are very minimal and things like that is because when someone goes to my website, I want them to stay on the page as long as possible and read the content. I don't want them clicking links. I don't want them leaving the site. Now, when I have a brand new website, I never put my affiliate links in at the start because it doesn't matter. I don't have any traffic yet. All I focus on is content, content, content. I don't have stuff on the page that distracts people. It's one of the biggest problems. People go and get these themes that are packed with useless plugins that don't matter. They have all the stuff in the sidebar. They have all the stuff in the articles that don't need to be there. And people leave your site. They don't interact the right way. So it's very important to first focus on speed and user experience. And I've proven this with my own data. Any of my blog posts that have a Google score of over 80 rank in the top 5 on Google, most of them number 1. So speed definitely contributes to ranking factors on your website. So focus on that, get that sorted before you do anything else. And when you test your speed, guys, don't just test the homepage, test every single individual page to make sure they are loading quickly. So your first step would be to get a simple theme that has no bloating or anything like that. It's just a simple, clean theme that loads quickly. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that people also make is when it comes to the content. So what a lot of people do is they will go and focus on one article. So they'll do one big article, which is called pillar content, based on, let's say the keywords, how to make money online with Facebook. And they'll do one big article on how to make money online with Facebook, and they'll stop and they'll be, okay, I'm going to go rank this article. How do I do that? That's really the wrong way to go about it. You've got to think of Google as a spider. So Google crawls your website looking for relevant content. So when they see an article based on how to make money with Facebook, they're looking for other content on your website based on that, or content based around Facebook and stuff. So you will probably never rank if you just have a brand new website, you do 1 or 2 articles, you probably never rank. So this brings me to the relevance method. what I do nowadays and what a lot of people do is we basically go out and and this is how you rank with no backlinks, by the way. We go out and build these websites based on a topic, or even if the website's general, we have categories based on topics. But what we do is we do a lot of articles linking back to our pillar articles, and we just create relevance. So if I have an article that's how to make money online with Facebook, I'll do more articles, how to make money online with Pinterest, how to make money online with YouTube, how to make money online, 10 different tips to do it. And I'll link all of those together back to the main article and stuff like that. And I'm talking 30, 40 articles. And these help in a few ways. First of all, they add relevancy to your site. So Google's pretty much forced to start ranking you for things. And it also acts as what we call supporting articles for your main article that you're trying to rank. Okay, so if that doesn't make much sense to you, just on your website, build out a lot of relevant content, and Google will start to rank you for a lot of stuff as well. And that brings me to the next thing. What a lot of people do is they'll focus on that one keyword and one article, but they don't realize that the more articles you have, the more traffic you get. So you might have 1 or 2 articles that rank, and you get, quite a bit of traffic from that. But you could have 50, 30, 40, 100 articles in the top 10, and you get all of this traffic from every single one. So it's helping you in a lot of ways. It's creating relevancy for your website, and it's also bringing you in traffic from all of these different articles. So your main focus when you're starting a website is to focus on speed, user engagement, and relevance, and start to build that out. Now, the next step is what we call backlinking. Now, if you do the relevance method, you don't actually need to do any backlinks, because what happens is people will start to link back to you naturally. And what I mean by that is when you do the relevant content, don't just focus on hard keywords and medium keywords. What you want to do is go and find low competition keywords. I'm talking like really low competition that you would rank for instantly, even if they don't have any searches. The reason you want to do this is because what happens is if you rank in the top 2 or 3 for that particular keyword, even if it's got no traffic, and someone else is writing an article based on that topic, they're going to go into Google and be like, okay, I want to link to a website based on this topic. So they're going to go, hey, how to make money online with blah, 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 blah. And you've got this big long keyword and you rank at the top. They're going to go, okay, I can see Franklin's website there. I'm going to take that link. I'm going to link back to it as a resource, and you've just got a free backlink. And that's the thing. A lot of people don't really understand that concept. You don't have to go and keep trying to rank for keywords with lots of search volume. People always say, oh, you've got to rank for buyer intent keywords and all this sort of stuff, and Franklin, you don't know what you're doing. Well, I make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month online just by organic traffic, and that's because I build this big, relevant website that is a main resource in the niche. So you can get backlinks naturally by creating relevant content and ranking for keywords that don't even have search volume, ones that are really easy to rank for, and people will start to naturally link back to you. And that's what Google likes to see, natural backlinks. Now, before we get into the backlinks, there's one important thing you need to realize. When you're a brand new website, just don't even try ranking for hard keywords or medium keywords. Just focus on the low competition keywords that are really, really low. Okay, just focus on that because you're going to start to rank really quickly. But just remember, you're a brand new website. You don't have any authority yet. Now, when you go to creating backlinks, now I don't really do the backlinks anymore. What I do is I go onto Fiverr and I pay someone to do what we call outreach, and they outreach to other blogs and they get links for me. That's called guest posting and things like that. Now, you're probably not going to have the budget for that. So what you want to do is you want to just go into Google and start to be active. So go and find other blogs and comment on those blogs and say, hey, nice post. And you can actually put a link to your website in the name and it will link back to your blog. That's called blog comments. These are called no follow links, but they do help diversify your backlink profile. You also want to go and just be active on forums as well. Now, you might not want to do all this. So if you don't want to do all this, you can go and do what we call guest posting and things like that. But what you can also do is create things what we call Web 2.0s. Now, I don't really recommend this anymore if you're going to go do the relevant method, because relevancy really is the best way. You create relevant content and then you go and rank, right? But you can create what we call Web 2.0s. It's a very long process. So backlinking is something that pretty much 99.9% of people are not going to be able to do. Either they don't have the funds, they don't understand it, or they don't have the time. So to rank your website, guys, the best way is to go and create a lot of relevant content and force Google to rank you for a lot of keywords. That's the best way to rank your website in 2019, and it works extremely well. It really, really does work. I have lots of websites and I use this particular method. Writing articles is completely free. It doesn't take any money if you do them yourself. So you can keep writing for different kind of keywords. Now, here's a tip. Go to a website called answerthepublic.com. And if, let's say you want to go rank for how to make money online, put in how to make money online. And it'll come up with a lot of questions. What I do is I actually go and write an article based on questions, not keywords. So for example, if I go to answerthepublic.com, I don't have it here with me right now, but let's say I go to answerthepublic.com and someone asks a question, how do I make money from America? I will go do an article based on how to make money from America. And I won't really optimize my page for that keyword because it's not a keyword, it's a question. As I'm writing that content, I'm naturally just going to put keywords in anyway without even realizing I'm doing it. And Google's going to match everything together. So that's probably one of the best tips I can give you is don't focus on keywords anymore. Focus on questions that people were asking. Now, answerthepublic.com takes real data from people that have actually searched things. They might not get a lot of search volume. However, Google will rank your article for lots of keywords if it finds that your particular article is relevant for that particular topic. So I can't remember what keyword we're talking about, but let's say you do an article on how to make money from America, right? And Google might go and rank you for best ways to make money from America. Can I make money from America? It really go and ranks you for all of this stuff. So a great tip will be don't focus on keywords, focus on questions when you're creating your content, and you'll naturally go out there and start ranking for things. Now, what I wanted to actually share with you is how long does it take to rank a website? For me, it takes between 3 to 6 months. Now, I'm not talking about the entire website. I'm talking about kind of pages. It takes me around about 3 to 6 months to start ranking pages. However, once your website gets stronger, once you have more content, I can literally rank things straight away now within a day or two or even a week, depending on how hard the keyword is. So guys, when you start a website online and you're trying to rank, it's going to be very hard at the start. But just keep slogging it out and you'll start to see results. Number one, make sure you have a very fast website. That is actually one of the number one contributing factors to why I'm ranking right now, because I use good, simple themes and I don't have anything on the sidebar. I don't have anything that doesn't need to load, and I don't take people off my website. So speed and user experience. Number two is you don't want to just focus on one article. You want to focus on a lot of articles based on questions and create relevancy for your website, okay? That is the main thing that I'm doing right now. Number three, you want to go and create backlinks. However, this is not really necessary, and the reason I say that this is not necessary is because a lot of people don't know how to do it, don't have the funds to do it, or don't have the time. So just create relevant content and Google will rank you and Google will love you. And when you create relevant content, guys, everyone loves you. You just become a relevant website in that niche. So if you want to learn actually how to rank your website, more steps, more stages and things like that, I'll leave some videos up on the screen. I'll actually leave some links to my course where I take you through step by step how to actually rank your website in stages so you can actually get traffic to your website. Now don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, drop a comment below. I'm online replying for the next 24 hours, and I'll see you on one of my next videos.